This video tutorial I will explain of method of EnumSet class which accept three enum elements. Here I have defined a class EnumSet demo, and here I have defined enum as month. It has Jan, Feb, March, April and May. Here I am calling of method of EnumSet class and passing three enum elements. This method returns enum set and it contains these three enum elements. I am running this program. Here you can see the output. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.